Show it, got some wheels, full boat on, you know. Classy. You just about to get some darker tint, you know. Let's show you. Small wheels. Show the interior some. Look at how dirty it is, bro. Manual. I don't get a new fucking shifter, but fuck it. Get darker tint. Showing. About to lower the front. B6, you know, intake. Long tube headers. Maybe a tune. I don't know. Sounds good too. Get a sound clip. And there's now 2 years later. Look at the difference. There's a lot of people coming this way, but it's only something I got. Wait for the garage to come. 2 years later, from the V6 to the V8. They're right here too. With the angle kit. Hey, don't mind this back. I still got a ducktail coming. They've been bullshit. I think they got me. They might scare me, but yeah. Say 2 years ago, I was right here with a V6. Damn near stock besides the full bolt-ons. So think now full drift car. Besides the hydro, I gotta order that this week. Once the hydro comes, it's good. Really, the only thing different is it's lowered, which it was lower than the last one. The different wheel, the angle kit, seats, that V8, the TR3650, the front bumper, the headlights, the grill. A lot of things to name, I can say. I can keep going on and on, but to say that it's a GT now is crazy. But I'm keeping the V6 badge. Don't get me twisted. It has a slight head leak. Cameraman's about to be here to shut stuff down. Look at that Ford 6, no more V6. Can't really see that. That's one of the shorties. Yeah. And the hood chip, that too. 22 weeks, 2 years. Got a camera, because you know, my boy's finally up.
That's all right.
Cameraman, but yeah, 2 years of it being here. I ain't count. I was going to the park, but
you have to do it here. That's different picture.
Huh?
You have to do it here.
So, nigga, I have to do a V6 video here.
I know.
That's why I said I gotta do it here. But yeah, that's how you're on debt. That's what I need. You gotta have. Oh, foot. See, I gotta show the angle key. That's why I gotta do that. Yeah. Y'all can see the fucking angle as is. That's the name. He's making some weird noise, but that's as usual. Nice spin ride. What else? Feels weird. This the other side. That's some hanging, right? Yeah. Some fun. We'll drift hydro coming in this week. Alright, let me get to talking. It's your time, cameraman. It's your time to shine.
Yeah.
Oh.
Stay hydrated.
You gotta stay hydrated. Let me see you chugging it. Let me see you chugging it. Oh. I was about to say some fucked up shit. I was say some fucked up shit.
That shit was in my nose, dude.
Hell no. So here go the numbers, man. I'm not getting real in depth with the numbers yet, because I'm going to do a separate video on that. But alright, so everything for this V8 It's $1,830. That's all the V8 parts, the engine, everything including the swap. Everything I needed. So that's $1,830 right there. That's all for the V8. Swap. That's not how much the time.
Well,
That's not how much the total cost costs. Keep doing. I was just heard out of it. All right. So everything from the V6 that I sold from this to get some money back for the V8 swap, I sold with V6 parts $1,100. It's $1,095, basically $1,100. In total, with the $1,830 for the V8 parts and the sold V6 parts for $1,095, $1,100 basically, you know, in total it's $750, which you can round up to like $850 because you know it's probably a little bullshit I missed. Not that much expensive. I got everything on you. It's basically $850, $750. It's talking from a V8, I mean V6. Hold on. It's talking from a V6 to a V8. This is the final cost. $800, $850. Y'all pleased with it? Hell yeah, that shit's way more fun than the V6. You got the torque, got the 373s, way better. The 410s with the V6 was good, though, I will say, but the 4.6 with the 373s, that shit's smooth. Slide second all you want. V6, you know, you can slide second, but you gotta really fight for that shit. Like, you gotta have it sideways to get it actually slide with it. It won't just do off the rip. This will do off the rip with the V8 now. That's what I see. Basically. That's not including the angle kit, the fucking shorties, cause shit, the angle kit alone was $9. That's fucking way more than the whole swap. The shorties is like, I forget, 150. That's not including all that shit. That's just the V6, the V8. Fuck, I keep.
the V6, man, the V6.
That was the V8. That was the V8. That was the V8. Damn, what else was I saying? Time and effort. You know, I took my time with it a little bit. I would say. You could definitely get way faster than I did, but definitely took my time. Oh yeah, I had to get a custom brake line. That too. That took a lot of the time. Besides the custom brake line. Nor I got the hood fully going down yet. So it's, you know, it flops around. That's how I like it though. Looking down like a Civic with the hood spacers. I can't talk. Alright. In conclusion, was the swap worth it? I say yes. I had my fun with it. Had fun with the V6. Now I got the V8. Slide once I get this hydrant next week. This week, whatever. And the real calipers will probably next week, yeah. Take it to the drift track, hell yeah. Yeah. It's loud. It's still loud. Oh, yeah. How many minutes we at?
9.
Like I said, some people said that fucking thing, it said what, 145 horsepower, a lot of hours, thousands of dollars. You know how I feel about that? Shit. Yeah, more torque.
Shit, you see this one?
Got more torque. I didn't spend $1,000. I only spent $850 for it, basically. Insurance, I definitely called them and told them. It's a V8 now, you know. I tell them a lot of that, Let me just show the camera, man. What the hell's so funny back here?
Hey, there ain't nothing funny.
What is your thoughts on this? What is your thoughts?
Look, he came from nothing with this shit, you know what I'm saying? That motherfucker
Came
got
from a
V6,
V6.
you feel me? He got an angle kit on there now. He got a V8 in there now. This the hood mechanic right here, for real.
Oh yeah, I basically say I touched every bolt on this car too. You know, besides the paint, all that, I'm gonna wrap it probably white. I ain't kind of fuck with the white for a little bit. And the mirror's going, I don't mind that. Hey, mind that. I'm keeping the V6 badges for sure. Like I said, the ducktail's supposed to be here. These niggas probably scared me for my bread. I ain't gonna lie, it's been 2 weeks. Niggas ain't say nothing. I'm gonna fix the exhaust, you know. Fucking crash bar rusted out. And yeah. Damn, what else I gotta say? I think that's it. What's your thoughts on this? Do you think that spot was worth it? The time I put into it? This nigga hasn't been. It's going right. Oh, and she rides like a damn race car. Sounds like a damn race car. Gets fucking gutted. Gotta have the lights on for race.
So got the goddamn ribbon Mustang, you feel me?
Perfect. That's custom cut that shit.
Well, God damn, it do dirt, nigga. Why'd I do that? She ain't doing it.
This shows that anything's possible. You can put your hands to anything and get it done. If I did it myself, you can do it yourself. It's easy to do. It's not that hard to do. Let's get it done. These things on me cheesy because I'm looking at it. But you know, thank all my subscribers, you know, all y'all for watching. Stay tuned, watching the videos pop happen. You know, all the views, the 800, you know, a little something. But you know, I feel like there's something. People commenting, asking me for help. Appreciate it all, man. It's the finale. You know, more to come. We're taking the hydro. It's gonna be sliding way better. We're taking another engine for it again. It's gonna be way better. But you always gotta start from somewhere. I started from a V6. Now look, I'm at a V8. We're gonna get fine. What do you gotta say? What do you gotta say? What do you
Hey man, you
say?
can't farm with this build, man. I remember when it was a V6.
This nigga drove in his V6. I forgot.
In that V6, you know what I'm saying? Now he upgraded, you feel me? He got the angle kit, he got the goddamn color book, you know what I'm saying?
Hell yeah.
Bro, proud of you, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm proud of you.
Man. Appreciate it, man.
Shit, man.
I want to thank y'all for watching, though. Appreciate all my subscribers, you know, watching this whole build happen. This little sun's gonna be way more, but appreciate y'all, man. Hope y'all have a good day, man. Stay tuned for next vid. What's old now? Boo. That's old. What?
I don't see none. Keep going.